Okay, the way Ben has it configured is that actually when you press this circle, it doesn't actually start. It only starts when you press the play. So what you're actually pressing is play. So when you're all ready to start, then press then press play. Then it will count you in for one bar, and that's also configurable. And then once the one bar ends, then you can start singing over it. Yeah. So we are in the key of A, but you can just kind of improvise.
Wait, does she have how's the level?
Okay, yeah, we should test the level.
Yeah, don't make her.
Okay, so could you sing at the loudest possible point that you usually sing at, that you plan to sing at?
Okay.
Turn her volume up a little bit.
Okay, yeah, so you see that level here, it's grey now, but you basically have to turn that up to like a healthy middle.
Bit more. Okay,
Yeah, okay, this is good.
Okay.
I'm going to turn down the overall the room speaker sound again. Turning down room speaker sound so that. Yeah. Okay.
Whenever we are ready.
All we can hear you.
We can hear. This bleep.
Fantastic. Okay, oh, you're clap. Okay, let's hear what she sounds like. Let's turn down the microphone level. And let's hear what she sounds like. Turn up the.
When the solo came.
Oh, nice.
Fantastic. Nice. Okay. Excellent.
Thank you.
Excellent. Okay.